my next video, I'd like to do one on making your secure lock pattern visible or invisible. So when you have a secure lock pattern, as you know, it leaves a trail behind it. It doesn't, obviously it doesn't, when you're doing it, it doesn't make the exact pattern visible, but it leaves a trail as your finger moves. And I'll give you an example here. So let's go into settings and lock screen and secure lock settings. So as I'm drawing this, I have it off. Never mind. Let's go back and do it again. So as I'm drawing this, you can see my pattern when it unlocks. Okay? If you'd like to turn that off, so people, if they're looking over your shoulder, they're still going to see your finger, they're still going to see what pattern you make, but at least it's not going to leave contrails and pattern after you've made and done what you've done. So that's where this is, as you saw me just turn on. Make pattern visible. So I turn that off when I do mine. So say now, we'll go and we'll escape out of everything here. And we'll go into settings. And then we scroll down to lock screen and AOD. Always on display. And secure lock setting. I'm going to draw my pattern. And as you can see, you can't see what pattern I drew. So it's a very handy feature. I suggest keeping it off. There's no reason for anybody to see what your pattern is unless you want to give it to them. So always keep that, make pattern visible, make that, and turn it off. There's no reason to have that on. So that is my video on making your secure lock pattern visible and invisible. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.